Welcome. Now we can see gold proxy share Manappuram Finance and crude oil proxies MRPL Manali Petrochemical Refineries and Chennai Petroleum. So what are all the levels? What happened to my predictions that I made in the Twitter? That we can see whether it's a hit or miss. First, Manappuram Finance. What happened? What I predicted, that we can see in Twitter. If you go, what I predicted, actually, you can see the bottom end of the channel. You can see on Thursday, 2nd April, I released the shorts. You can see. Okay, as I told, top end of the channel, I told. So from bottom end of the channel, now you can see generally I will tell bottom end of the channel we have to enter. So now who and all enter, I also enter at the bottom end of the channel. That is what 2nd April. Now you can see almost top end of the channel. You can see that channel top end very near. It has gone and touched the top end of the channel. You can see this around 300, 303 level. So there I made a partial exit. So now what will happen to Manappuram Finance share? Actually, this is a regular dividend paying stock. Each quarter it will give 50 paise dividend. So now after touching very near to my resistance, weekly resistance, and touching the top end of the channel, it has given a, you can see, you cannot say breakdown, but reversal. So first support, it has given a breakdown. Now next support is around 283, 280 levels. So another below there is a support very near to the middle end of the channel around 271 level. So you have seen what I predicted, top end of the channel I told, it has come there. So now most probably it may come and touch here. If there is a bounce back with big candle, strong volume, you can enter. Otherwise, low risk investors, they can wait for the middle end of the channel. Why? Because there is a stop loss, two stop loss hunting lines are there, that I will explain further in 2-3 minutes. So this is the strategy you have to make. So Manappuram Finance, okay. Then what happened in Manappuram? And now you can see MRPL. I have told MRPL exit. Infosys and all, they are not performing. So MRPL you can enter. So what I told 2 days back, resistance 200. If it breaks out, it may go to 206. So what happened? We will see right now. MRPL. Actually, MRPL, Chennai Petroleum and all, very highly volatile stocks. So what happened? It did not went up to the resistance. I told it has to break out. There is a 206, around 206 level. There is a resistance and all. So you can see 206. If R 200 breaks, then it will go to 206. I told. So 200, around 200, it did not went 200 also, because there was a result on that day. So there was some reaction for the result. So the result was better. It seems they have announced, you can see profit drops 68% despite higher revenues. So what happened? It went above the stop loss hunting line, weekly stop loss hunting line, black line level, and it reacted back. It came down. You can see here. Just wait. It is. So you can see after touching the stop loss hunting line in 4-hour candle, you can see 1, 2, 3 candles. It went up and again came down. And you can see the again another black line stop loss hunting line. It took support at 182. What I predicted, support around 188, 179 support I have told. So 188, 179. So around it went 180 levels. It went support. So it is almost at the middle end of the channel. Due to the results, either it may come down or go up. If it goes up, again the resistance will be 200, about 206. Stop loss hunting line is there. Definitely it will revisit. But when, we cannot tell exactly. You can see, as I told, the black color stop loss hunting line, you can see the candle, 4-hour candle, it gave a wick tail and bounced back. So now what we will see next, Chennai Petroleum, GMDC and all already I gave. CPCL. So CPCL, I told tomorrow result is there. Now R breaking out at 1071. So next resistance 1099 I have told. 1079 and 1099. So they have given a record through put premium GRMs, and it seems they have paid the dividend also. That's why you have to be in dividend paying stocks. So what I told, 1071 it is breaking, next 1099. So on that day 1079 resistance, So nearly it was here 1074, that one level. So it gave a breakout, but you can see exactly at the resistance level, or it took resistance level, again it came below. So around next or at 1099. So around 109, almost it went to 1097. From there it took resistance and came down. So support, what did I told about the support? Okay, I have given the, you can see the thing, support I have given it 1028, 1030 supports. So 1028, once again. So 1028, you can see at 1028, around 1028 level, it gave a breakdown. But since there were multiple SL hunting line, SL hunting means liquidity trap or liquidity sweep, whatever you can say, there will be lot of buy orders. So liquidity it will trap. You can see it went all the way down to 990, very near to 990. One black stop loss hunting line, another black color stop loss hunting line. So multiple another black stop loss hunting line and the stop loss hunting. So it took a liquidity sweep. Normally liquidity sweep, that is candle, body candle with almost more than 50% wick. Wick means tail. This line. So it has bounced back. It has given a liquidity sweep. It seems they have announced dividend also. So let us see. Again, it should break resistance at 1099. Then it will target 1200. MRPL, Chennai Petroleum, both are crude oil proxy. Main thing you have to see is the stop loss hunting lines. That is very, very important. You can see just it went down below the stop loss hunting line. Again, it bounced back. Also in MRPL, the same thing you saw. I am Ganesh Babu, GB Investor Zone. So disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered share market consultant. You can see the levels I telling supply and demand concept only. So you can go through if you are really interested. It will be very useful. So stop loss hunting rules. Near the stop loss hunting black line levels, you should not place any buy or sell orders. You should not keep SL orders. You have to wait. Price will revisit my stop loss hunting black line levels. Let it be 1 hour, 1 day, 1 year. Definitely it will revisit. Whenever SL hunting black line level comes, price will move sideways. That is when there is a multiple stop loss hunting level comes, the two weekly SL black line levels, it will move sideways. This is the legend. You can go and bottom entry of the channel, how to take entry, swing bottom, swing top, you have to exit, as I told in the Manappuram Finance share. These are all step-by-step guide. Definitely this will be useful for you, because big players, institutions, LIC, mutual funds, FIIs, they take profit or loss using this. They will create, in fact, profit, create loss to us. So if you really found this video useful, you can subscribe and like. Even if you don't do, no problem. Next time, I know definitely you will come and refer my levels. At that time, please subscribe and put a like. This will be very useful. Thank you.